Welcome to the shop. Let's head this way. We've got the lounge area. Nice free Craigslist couch. It's nice. It's nice to have a place to chill. Go ahead, keep going down. Temperature gauge, some bigger chemicals that didn't fit, some cleaning stuff. This is all chemicals, finishes, that kind of stuff. And then all of these are all filing cabinets. This is our grab all for safety. Anything we need, ear protection, eye protection, masks, gloves. You know, I feel that with safety, if it's apparent where it is, you're way more likely to use it. You know, at the top we have random assortment of hand tools. We have our sanding equipment, everything's in there, our sanders, our grits, all of that. And then this was where I was storing a lot of stuff. But we tried to move a lot of that into here so that this could be overflow. This is all sort of random assortment, but this is something that we're gonna work on in the future and get a little bit more organized. This is some of the wood storage. In a future project you're gonna see, I'm gonna build a full lumber rack. And in that, that'll be really nice because I'll be able to stock up. So we have this, I bought for cutting board stock. This is all charcuterie board material. We have a few more of that, some scrap ply. And then down here, I have, this stuff is all basically, generally speaking, it's my side table material. And this, you have some actual logs under here. They're all black walnut. Soon I'll be getting a bandsaw and I'll be able to saw those up myself and dry them myself, which could be a really cool process. We have some cutting board stock already cut up, ready to go, and it'll all get finished. Over here we have some random commercial lumber, that kind of stuff. This is all just kind of items, quick grab and go items. So, you know, we have pencils, you know, nailer materials, like glue stuff. Got some blades, got a scraper, drill bits, more nails, more drill bits. So in this section, we have sort of our rolling tables. This is our drum sander. This was an item that you saw in the 1 hour workshop that I use, but it's something that I really do enjoy using. It's super, super quick, super helpful. It's really good for flattening boards that are too short to go in the planer or too wide to go in the planer. So this is our router table. I have a box of old router bits that I got pretty inexpensively. And then all down the front, I have storage for all just different associated router items. So those are different plates for it. You know, those are different tools and different manuals on how to service it. So this is our miter saw. It's a Hitachi miter saw. It's a really, really good saw. I don't have it perfectly finely tuned yet, but again, you know, as I get going, it'll be more finely tuned. This is just a super, super quick miter saw stand I whipped up. It has a laser on it, which is super nice. It's really easy to get precise cuts. Also has a display up top, which tells me my bevel and miter. This is our Harbor Freight dust collector. It's been working awesome. This is our joiner. This was another cheaper pickup. This table saw is an old Steel City. Not old, it's a few years old, but this thing is a beast. It's a 3 horsepower saw. It cuts like a champ. I love the thing. It's way better than most saws I've used. All right, so this is my big assembly table that I built. This thing is great. I just love having a huge working surface to work off of. It's really nice. I put a hardboard top on it. We have it on leveling feet, and underneath is kind of current project storage. And then we have our planer, and then at the end we just have a rolling cart, which is nice. And then up top, we have a projector screen, which we pull down to watch movies on. So this is Sam's workbench. It's got 4x4 legs. It's a beast. It's super strong. It's not moving anywhere. So it'll be a vise added here and a grinder added here once those come in. And then on this end, you can see you've got file and tong storage as well as hammer storage. And then over on this side, we have all the belts for the belt grinder. We have a ladder, a bunch of clamps, and then we have our backdrop wall, which is going to be for our podcast. And we're really excited to see where all this goes. If you like this video, try to subscribe. It really helps us. We're really trying to grow. We really just love interacting with our customers, our fans, all of that. So comment, like, subscribe, share it with any sort of your friends. We look forward to reading your comments and hearing back from you guys.